Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is ShockZ and today I have something different for you, which I promised last week. If you like beatbox, subscribe to my channel to watch bunch of super cool beatboxes and tutorials, and don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I want to talk about some essential and fundamentals in beatboxing that can help you start beatboxing much better, and if you are a beatboxer already, it will help you too. And I think these things are much more important than the sounds itself. So there are 4 things that came to my mind that I want to talk about them, that I have experienced them in my beatboxing years, that I really regret about them, because if I would knew them sooner and if there was someone to tell me them, I could be a better beatboxer now. So let's go for number 1. Number 1, I stick to basics. I believe this is the most important thing in learning beatbox, and if you stay committed to it, be sure you are in a way of be a good beatboxer. As basics, I mean the easiest sounds in beatboxing, like the kick, like hi-hat, or PF snare, or even a simple throat bass to localize your sounds, like instead of just humming. So you can do a lot of beats with just these 4 sounds, and I have tutorial for all of them, and the link is up here. And do not jump to advanced sounds. Please stick to the basics. Fundamentals are very important. I know it's so tempting to learn a special sound like lip roll, like this. It's so tempting to learn this, but if you stick to basics and not skipping the basics and the fundamentals, be sure you will see the results very soon. And I'm trying to teach you the sounds level by level for you to be easier to follow the steps and follow the sounds and do beats with them. So number 2, do beats with fundamentals. While learning fundamentals, the thing you should do is to do beats with them. And the benefit of this work is when you finish basics and you are going to advanced sounds, you are not empty of beats. And when you are doing beats with that basic and fundamentals, you can add those special and advanced sounds to your beats to make them more attractive and better. Guys, the fundamentals and basics are not cheap, they are not useless. If you want proof, go and watch best beatboxers in the world routines and battles. If you go and see them, you see each one of them at the first of their beat, they start using basic sounds, and then they add their special sound to blast the stage. For example, let's look at Napalm, one of the best beatboxers in the world. Stay hydrated. Make your sounds. In my opinion, beatboxing is a completely personal art. So don't compare your sounds with other beatboxers, even the one who you are learning beatbox from. Even it's me or any other person, don't compare your sounds, because everybody have a unique vocal cords and larynx, so it's perfectly normal to sound different. Other thing that is very important is not to stick to tutorials. The thing which I did a lot. Let your mind create the sounds and develop them. Who knows, maybe one day you are the person who brings a special sound and innovate a new sound in beatboxing. And in that case, when your mind is set to create a simple sound, so it will be ready to make various of crazy beats. And it is totally okay to learn from other beatboxers and even copying them. But don't forget, don't do that for a long period of time. As I said, your mind will be lazy and you can't make your beats anymore. And that's again what I did, and I can't do a lot of beats now. And just now I'm learning it. And for example, even if you're copying a beatboxer, if you want to change that, for example, I saw a lot of napalm lip rolls, and if you can't do them, use lip isolation instead of his lip rolls. For example, see this video. You see he use lip rolls a lot, like. If you can't do this, you can use lip isolation instead, like. Number 4, ignore others. Take this friendly advice from me, that ignoring others. Don't pay attention to anyone, because when you start doing beatbox, you see a lot of your friends making fun of you and laugh at you because you are a beginner and you maybe sound a little weird in learning any sound, and even if you're a pro, a lot of people are going to laugh at you. And in some situations they are not laugh for fun, because beatbox is a funny thing, not in bad way, but have self-confidence. It was it. 4 things. Number 1, stick to basics. Number 2, do beats with fundamentals. Number 3, make your sounds. And number 4, ignore others. And don't forget to practice. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share this video with your friends, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And comment below if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for my channel, and see you in next video.